It has been disclosed that around a dozen men who accuse the government of being complicit in their torture overseas are in line for millions of pounds of compensation. The men, including Binyam Mohammed and Mozam Beg, were among those threatening to take the government through the courts, a move that could have put the British security services well under the spotlight. Nigel Farage, first of all, what do you make of this talk of compensation?
Well, I don't like it. The whole thing's very ugly, isn't it? But clearly it's a form of hush money, because what the government didn't want was intelligence information from both the British and the Americans to appear in the High Court. And I guess, faced with a horrid situation, the government have decided that they've got to protect that intelligence. Is that right? Is that wrong? Well, we can't undo things, but I do notice, though, that 2 years on from Obama saying he was going to close down Guantanamo Bay, that it's still there.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of talk, actually, of late, that if it does save countless lives, then things like waterboarding should be an acceptable price to pay. I just wonder where you stand on this.
Well, I hear all these arguments all the time. You know, when I hear the argument that we're in Afghanistan to make the streets of Britain safer, I don't believe that argument. And as far as torture is concerned, and of course, there is a difficult line to cross what is torture and what isn't. But as far as torture is concerned, I just feel that how do you know the information that you're getting under torture is any more reliable than you would get through any other form of interrogation? And our feeling is that if you do all of these things, if you reduce yourself to that, then really the terrorists are winning because your liberal values are being destroyed.